Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. In Chinese cooking, we often braise the beef with 5 or more spices, let it cool down, and slice into thin slices, and serve it as appetizer. Today we're going to show you how we cook it at home. We're using 3 different parts from the cow: the large shank, the tendon, and stomach. We're going to wash all the meat first and make sure they are clean. Then we're going to cut the large shanks into smaller chunks. This way, it's easier for the flavors to get in. All the meat should be pre-cooked, starting with cold water, scallions, Sichuan peppercorn, ginger slices, and cooking wine. This process helps remove the remaining blood out of the meat. Let the meat stay on boil for 3 to 5 minutes. After that, drain the meat, remove the scallion, ginger, and peppercorn used in pre-cooking, and wash the meat clean. Every family have their own special recipes, but it's basically the 5 spice plus something special, like dry pepper, to make it spicy. You can find our blend of recipe in the description below. In case you want to keep it simple, you can find these pre-packaged seasonings in Chinese market. Because the beef tendon and stomach takes more time to cook, we're going to use pressure cooker to press them for 10 to 15 minutes before putting them into the pot with the rest of the shanks. If you're not cooking any tougher meat like the tendon, you can skip directly to the later part. Put the pre-cooked meat into the pot with the spices and braise sauce. Make sure the liquid covers all the meat. Bring it to a boil, put on the lid, and use medium heat to cook for 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on the size of the meat. Once the cooking is done, take the meat and the sauce out of the pot, but keep the meat soaked in the sauce for at least 2 hours. Then take the meats out of the sauce, let them cool down and dry up a little bit. If you cooked a lot, like we did, you can put them into sealed plastic bags and keep into the freezer for a later date. The meat can be served at room temperature. Simply slice and serve. This dish is a party favorite, especially when alcohol is involved. We hope you learned how to cook this braised beef with spices. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our weekly updates. Thank you for watching. See you next time.